The Vexon 4.5 quart glass air fryer offers a versatile cooking experience with its 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and more effortlessly. Its innovative air crisp technology significantly reduces oil usage by 97%, providing a healthier cooking option without compromising on taste. A transparent glass pot design enables a full 360-degree view of your cooking, ensuring that you can monitor your food easily to prevent overcooking or burning. The air fryer's intelligent control touchscreen allows for precise temperature adjustments between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, catering to a variety of cooking needs. Safety is a priority with this appliance, as it includes overheating protection that automatically shuts down the fryer when necessary, ensuring a worry-free cooking experience. The nonstick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, while the quiet operation under 48 decibels ensures a peaceful kitchen environment.